What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be trying something different. I know I haven't been uploading in a while. I've been moving stuff. I got a new shop set up here. You know, a little bit of a less space than what I had before, but this works out perfect for, you know, the situations I got going on. So I'm actually been wanting to try out this Ultracolor Pro from Transfer Express and their Ultracolor Max. I never tried these out. I wanted to try out these digital printed transfers just to see for myself. I've seen nothing but good reviews on them, so I wanted to try them out for myself. Like I said, I'm in a new, you know, different little setup back here in this little room I got. A little bit smaller than what I had, but it works out perfect for what I'm doing. I don't need that much room, so this is perfect for me right now. So I'm gonna set up the press and everything and get right into the video and show you guys what I'm working with. All right, guys, so I always want to try these out. They send you the idea book you get with it, 2022 idea book. That just literally has like all the stuff that they make at Transfer Express. It's also their sample pack, so they send you the price guide. They send you a bunch of samples, which I've already done these samples. And then they send you the sheet with all the heat directions on it. Like I said, I want to try the Ultracolor Pro and the Ultracolor Max. Ultracolor Pro is digital screen transfers, and then Ultracolor Max is direct-to-film transfers. So I'm going to try out the one that I want first, which is the Ultracolor Pro. This is the one I've been wanting to try out. So I know everything's, you know, set up different here. I'm trying to get used to it myself. So hopefully I'm getting, you know, all the same footage I was getting from before. All right, so this one says set temp to 340 for cotton and cotton poly blends, 340 for 10 seconds, medium to firm pressure. Let me check my pressure. Then I'll tighten it a little bit. And this is the Ultracolor Pro from Transfer Express. That right on point. And this one is a hot peel. It doesn't say cover sheet or anything like that, so I'm just going right on the transfer. Check it again, make sure we're good. Right where we need to be at. I'm gonna let my press go about a second or two longer because it's an older press. Just, you know, however your press is, every press is different. This one's a hot peel. Move up a little bit. That's my press, that's not their transfer, so throw this over it. Give it another press. So now I know my press, I have to do the settings different. Probably 345 for me for probably 16, 17 seconds on my press. That should be good enough. Top peel a little bit, but that's definitely my press. Otherwise, it's not bad at all though. definitely gonna do a little bit more pressure too with that, with the other one. You're gonna have, you know, fails and everything with pressing shirts. But let me put that up. Camera. It's not bad. You can see here. It's kind of like a soft, real soft vinyl. That's their digital screen transfer. You got a heat press like mine. Put your pressure heavier, and I'm gonna put my temp up a little bit more on this. That's Ultra Color Pro. That's not bad at all. All right, and this one's Ultra Color Max. This one's $290 for 12 to 15 seconds. Down here. So I'll put the pressure up a little bit heavier for this one. Every press is going to be different no matter what. What is it? 12 to 15 seconds, so I'll leave that one. I'll go 16 seconds on mine. And it's medium pressure, 5 to 7 it says, so I'll go a little bit heavier with mine. But this one's not bad at all though. Really not bad at all. I mean, even the feel of it. I'm stretching it. It's not cracking or nothing. So, I mean, I'm satisfied with the quality of that. It's Ultra Color Pro from Transfer Express. Send you the idea book and the price guide. But I mean, the quality of it's good. Put that up in the camera so you can see. It's not bad at all. Set this up for this next one now. And neither one of these say a cover sheet. Give this a pre-press for like 5 seconds. Get yourself one of these temp guns too. Especially with these generic presses. Like I said, you just saw the little mess up I had with that, but that's, you know, what you do, you test it out. Now I know for next time I gotta put heavier pressure and put the time up a little bit more, and that's it. You're gonna have your mistakes with it. And I mean, it only peeled up a little bit. Sometimes you can go back, throw the cover sheet back over it, the transfer paper, and that'll usually be able to push it back down. This one, it didn't happen with this one, but only the one corner came up. But like I said, it's not Transfer Express. That's my heat press error. You're gonna have that, you know, pressing shirts, you're gonna have that no matter what. Let's see what I'm gonna put my temp up a little bit. I'm gonna put mine to 292 for 16 seconds is what I'm doing on this press. There we go. Let me see if I can pull it up there. It's Ultra Color Max. And that one is direct to film transfer, which I found good company. Shout out to them. Flash Custom Transfers, they have good direct to film. I believe theirs is the direct to film. Shout out to them, their transfers are good. There's a couple other companies I tried. I'm not gonna name them, they weren't really that great, but I'm not gonna sit here and rag on people. Everybody's out there to get their money their own way, so, you know, I'm not gonna hate on anybody. but I will, you know, say who I feel is good. And Flash Custom Transfers, they're definitely one of the better ones out there that I've tried. Make sure we're good here. Okay, we're right where we need to be at. Like I said, I put heavier pressure on for this. This one is also a hot peel. I'm gonna let my press go, even though I had it 16 seconds, I'm gonna let it go about another second before I peel it. Let's see what happens with this one now. All right, that one peeled a lot better. So yeah, that was my press. So if you're trying these out and you have this press, higher your press or your pressure setting, higher that up, and your temperature, higher it up about, you know, I put it up to, this one was 290, I put it up to 292, and then I put the seconds, it was 15, I put it up to 16. So little adjustments like that's gonna help you go a long way, especially with generic presses. Oh yeah, this one's not bad at all. This one feels real smooth. Hold that up there. Ultra Color Max from Transfer Express. That one's not bad at all. This one's real smooth. I actually like that. I don't know. This one's, I like the feel of, I like the Ultra Color Max, the feel of the Ultra Color Max. I'll leave the links, if I could, in the description to get these. So like I said, guys, I'm in a new little spot, getting used to it myself. I appreciate all the support, all the subscribers. You know, I haven't been uploading in a couple weeks, and even the subscribers are still going up. I'm trying to get shorts out, you know, to keep the channel going, but I appreciate everybody subscribing and everything. And, you know, I just wanted to say that, like I said, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Maybe a Cricut, a heat press, maybe a Cameo, whatever. I'm not sure what I'm going to give away yet. So if you guys could like and subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll have a chance to get a part of the giveaway that I do. So this was just a quick video. I'm in the new shop. You know, this is my new little setup. I'm just getting used to it. So if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.